Hello friends, welcome to BISPtrainings.com. My name is Amit Sharma and once again I'm going to show you another video tutorial on Hyperion Planning Simplify Interface. In the previous videos of Hyperion Planning Simplify Interface, I given you the new look and feel for Simplify Interface, and today I'm going to show you how do you schedule various activities like schedule your job, data load, data export, metadata load and metadata export. The user simplified Hyperion Planning Simplify interface is similar to your Hyperion Planning and Budgeting Cloud interface. And in case customers are preferring to have in-house infrastructure, they can use the Simplify interface, which is very similar to your cloud-based. So let's get started. I'll be using a virtual machine, the same which we prepared in the last sessions. I log into my virtual machine, and the Simplify interface can be accessed from Planning Administration Client. There's a link for Simplify interface. Click on Simplify interface. The first task we are going to do, we export data, and then I'm going to import the same data once again. Let me open this once again. Planning administration. Okay, let me close the browser. Now I can log in. Admin and password is password. So in the previous session also I showed you how to configure Vision application. So if you have not configured so far, please do configure now. Once you log into your Simplify interface, Vision is a default application. Click on Launch, and there are multiple tabs you find. We'll go to Console tab, and there are two tags under this called Application and Job Console. We go for Application first. Under Action, I can see multiple actions are lined up. I could see a summary view over here, number of tasks, plans, number of rules we have, and approval hierarchy. Under export data, the first option we're going to export the data. I've got two options. I can export data as job or export data. So there are two export jobs already lined up. I can create a new job over here. Click on create, and there are an option called local. I can export to local to my system or simple redirect to planning outbox. Let's export to local, and my file type is comma delimiter. Okay. Smart list would be export label as well. So in my the layout consists of rows, column, and point of view. In rows, I select account dimension. You have option to select whichever member you like to export. There are a couple of options available. You can export. You can click on FX and define the member selection. It could be children, descendant, ancestor, parent. Okay. I use a level 0 member of account dimension. Accrued liabilities total, level 0 member of it. Okay. So I select level 0 member of accrued liabilities total. Okay. And this uncheck this one. This one also I uncheck. And then I select period in my column. Period. I select period descendant of quarter one or children of quarter one, including quarter one. Okay. We also have an option over here to filter. So I could have selected filter as well. I deselect this. Quarter one and descendant of quarter one, children of quarter one. Now there's an option called filter as well. In case when you're selecting account dimension, you can filter based on attribute, label, generation, right? You can filter based on attribute, show alias in case you're getting an abbreviation. Member name, you can show alias. So in case you're applying filter, the option to filter based on label, generation, or attribute. I like to filter only level 0 member of my account dimension, which is your view. Rather than selecting individual member, you can filter and define selection. It could be level 0 member, generation, or based on certain attributes. Once you select rows and column, I'm going to select point of view for my remaining dimension. So for year, I select FY 2013. Scenario is actual. Version is going to be working version. And I use all the complete total entity hierarchy, level 0 member of total entity hierarchy, right? So my point of view is selected, only product is left. I select product. Again, I select uh, level 0 member of all product. I unselect this. You could have similarly filter out over here as well. So selection is done. You define you want to save locally. In case you want to export locally, that's it. Click on export. Data gets exported over here. The export is going on. You can export data. You can see your data under a download option. Refresh it and sort by time. You see latest export is 554. Right click and extract all the data. This is your data file which got exported. Open once again. This is a data file. We don't have any data in it. The combination of dimension member I have chosen, there is no data. It is fine. Let it be. So in addition to this, I can export, redirect to the planning outbox as well. So I'll select some different combination because I did not have data. I select couple of years, scenario, working, actual, working version, entities, right, descendant of total entity, and multiple product I select. Okay, I use a planning outbox. This time rather than I execute, I'll save it as a job. I name as data export and I associate timestamp 24th June 2015, second load of the day. Save it. A job got saved. Now I can schedule this job. I could see this. Therefore, there are 3 jobs are available. Once job got saved, the next step is to schedule the job. Under job section, refresh it. You see there's a job, data export job is available, which I manually run 2 minutes before. There are 3 jobs are also lined up. I can see it over here. Schedule new job. What is the job type? Job type is export data, right? And you can specify run now or schedule it. You can schedule daily, weekly, monthly, whatever you want, and define data export. So you see over here, data export options are available. Daily data export or the job you have chosen. Then click next. It is already exist, so I name it uh, data export job and associate timestamp 24/06/2015, second load of the day. Next, select your job which you want to export. This is my job, second export of the day. Next, and I could see the data export summary. It's going to be execute forever, daily occurrence, forever, IST time zone, other details, finish. My job gets scheduled and you can see the details about it. This is my scheduled job. This is my scheduled job which I run just right away. I could delete the job from here as well. Rather than scheduling, you also had an option to run right away. Under action tag, you can also see finally the data which got exported. You can see under input and outbox, inbox and outboard explorer. So you see inbox and outboard explorer, you can see the zip file, right? So once job got scheduled, you can delete it as well, or you can download the file. Click on download file and your data file gets downloaded. The combination data we have chosen, and you can see in the download section. This is my data load for the day. This one is 548, latest data load. Data extract, sorry. This is my data extract file. Let's open this Excel and see. Okay, this time also we don't have the data, the combination we have chosen. Anyways, okay. So every time you export it, you can see under your inbox and Output Explorer. With the new release, it is also possible to export a job using LCM. So let me show you next step. You can export and import using LCM. So under login to your, once again, to your workspace, open your shared service console. Under application, select your application. This is my Vision application. Under global artifact, you see you have a job over here. At all the jobs, you can export job over here. Data export, there are 3 jobs are available. This is the one which we just now published. Timestamp 1745. Right? I can click on this and export this job. Export. Give detail. Data export 24/06/2015/02. Export is being done. Export got completed. You can see the export under import export, under your Oracle, your middleware user project, and import export section. Right? I sort by timestamp and I could see this data got, I could see the import export over here in the Excel file. Right? So this is how you can export data and schedule data export. In the next example, I'm going to show you how to import and import metadata and schedule this. So today I'm going to stop over here. Should you have any question, please visit our site. Please write to us or visit our site. You can also subscribe to our YouTube channel to access more than 500 plus videos in Hyperion planning and Hyperion other product. Thank you for joining today's session and have a great day ahead.